Hello and welcome. My name is Kane Yenser for Inner Court Tai-Chi. Welcome. It's been a while since I've done a video. I want to start doing my videos again. I've been pretty busy, haven't been able to do them. So I thought I'd start off with something easy to get me back into the swing of things, and it's a video I've wanted to do for a long time. And that is because I think I found the perfect Tai Chi shoe, which I've been searching for over 3 decades. And I stumbled upon these shoes, which actually aren't Tai Chi shoes. They're actually water shoes. They're for water sports. And for me, the ideal shoe for Tai Chi is comfortable, durable, light, and flat. Maybe add flat in there. And they mark all the boxes. These shoes are awesome. And I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting money for this. The company doesn't know I'm doing this. So let me just introduce the shoe to you. It's made by a company called Astral. All right, and they make a bunch of kinds of shoes. You don't want to buy just any of their shoes. You want to buy the low yaks. The low yak, okay? And the shoe goes for about $110 at the highest price. I got these 2 pair for $90 and this one for $60. It was on sale. And I don't like paying a lot of money for shoes or anything. I don't think anybody does, but this shoe is totally worth it 100%. So this is the first pair I bought, and they are made from hemp, and they're a canvas material, hemp canvas material. And they're over 2 years old, so they're 2.5 years old. And the problem I had with Tai Chi shoes in the past, even shoes that were made for Tai Chi, is I would destroy them in 2 months. 2 months, 4 months. I don't care what else it was, Kung Fu Shie, any kind of Tai Chi shoe, they'd be destroyed in 2 months, no more than 3 months. So they'd have a big hole in the bubbling wells, the side would be all ripped out. Because I practice outside all the time. I practice on grass, gravel, dirt, you name it. And I would just destroy them. Now these shoes, like I said, 2.5 years old. And they're still going strong. They have no holes in the sides. The soles are still hanging together, no problem. And I think that is just amazing. Because like I said, I will destroy shoes. They're light. They're comfortable. You don't want to take them off. They're light. They're comfortable right out of the box. I mean, I didn't weigh them, but they're 5 ounces maybe. I don't know. They're just very light, trust me. They're lighter than any other shoe that I've ever bought. They're about as light as Kung Fu shoes, if you know Kung Fu shoes, the white ones with the stripes. So the price on this was $190 actually. I got these for $90. I think they're regularly $110. I got these for $92, and I got these on sale for $60. Now, these are the newer ones, and they're not made out of the hemp, which I like. These 2 are hemp. They're made out of a mesh material, but just as comfortable. I mean, it's their style, just as attractive. But I just love these shoes, and I can't say enough about them. All right, they're made for water sports, so they're not made for Tai Chi. So water drains out of them. You can wear them in the summer especially because they breathe like mad, and you get wet. They'll drain out real quickly. Like I said, they're water shoes. Even in winter, now I'm not saying they're perfect for winter because they're thin and it's cold, but even in winter, I always do my Tai Chi outside no matter how cold it is. I just come inside if it starts blowing with a lot of wind. But man, they work even in winter. So with that said, this is something I really recommend. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description. I'll probably have shot some close-ups of the shoe so you can check them out, see how they bend and whatnot. If you have, and I would like to ask you, if the audience out there, if you have any Tai Chi apparel that you really like, that you tested out, like pants, shirts, anything like that, or shoes, socks, please put the description and a link down in the comment section. Tell me about them. I'll go check them out. I'll try them out if I can. If I like them, I'll get back to you and I'll hype them. All right? So that's my video for today. Check these shoes out. Like I said, I'll put the description down in the bottom. Awesome pair of shoes. And hopefully I'll be making some new videos about Tai Chi, standing, and Neigong real soon. And I'll see you in those videos. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys later. 谢谢。